I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there, friends, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Dudecraft. Today, I want to talk to you about my French cleat wall system. As you notice, it's getting a little bit cluttered. It's the back wall. It's all I have set up so far, really. But I still have more stuff to hang. And as I always say, we started this journey together because I'm trying to reclaim my garage. I'm trying to make it into a conducive, ideal space where creativity flows. And right now, this ain't cutting it. And it's been bugging me for a little bit, but it was really cemented when Mrs. Dudecraft came in here and she read me the riot act. And as we all know, happy wife, happy life. So, we're going to be, as always was the plan, expanding straight down the sides. As you know, I've been Frankensteining this together with found styrofoam and found wood for the past year, maybe a year and a half. So this part right here, we're going to be working on. We're going to be putting on fence pickets right here as the sheathing, and then we're going to put 3/4 inch French cleats onto it. Now this is long overdue. Now, we got standard, non-treated, $2.25 fence pickets from the Orange Big box store. Now they come in 5/8 inches thick, but to match everything I've already done, I've planed it down to a 1/2 inch. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to give it a quick sand, cut it to size, slap it up on the wall, and add a French cleat to it. Sometimes it's really hard being a left-handed person having to hammer right-handed. But what can you do? We have a casualty of war. My dude that I made way back in 8th grade in woodshop, before I ever knew I was going to become a Dudeist priest, fell to the ground and broke. So I am definitely going to have to rectify that situation because alright, it's getting late. I think that's a pretty good place to stop for now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 more cleats added. So that should free up some more space for me to play around. As always, thanks for coming along on this little journey. I really do appreciate you watching. Dude abides, so do I. Catch you guys next trip. Peace out.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.